Are you fed up with marketing strategies that are as stale as week-old bread? The reality of the situation is the game has simply evolved. Long gone are the days of hosting an open house and closing the sale the same week. Now, listen. I know what it's like to make 100 cold calls a day and chase leads around with a diminishing return. It can be demotivating and draining, to say the least. So what do you do then? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? You need a modern approach to your marketing as a real estate agent. We saw a major shift inside of our company at Evolved Agents and for our clients within our mastermind after incorporating just one change to our approach. What we did was simple. We moved away from chasing outbound leads, and we focused on building systems which would send us inbound leads around the clock. This turned out to be 10 times more effective with doing less work. But Sam, you might be saying, that sounds great, but how the hell do I get these inbound leads? Well, without further ado, I'm going to show you 5 great places to get you more inbound leads than ever before. Tip number 1. A weekly newsletter. Say goodbye to monotonous updates. Say goodbye to generic email blasts. Imagine a weekly nugget of real estate awesomeness bursting with intriguing facts and featuring your latest YouTube content. It's like a weekly real estate show delivered straight to their inbox. You'd be amazed at how many emails you can gather just by giving away some simple, easy real estate content in the form of a digital product. More on that later. Tip number 2, Facebook ads. Oh, you thought Facebook was just for birthday updates and cat videos? Think again. We're harnessing the power of the all-seeing eye, the Facebook algorithm, to put you in front of a prospective buyer or seller at the perfect time. It's like setting up your digital real estate billboard seen by thousands of people every hour. Facebook ads are not optional anymore. They're mandatory. I'd go as far to say that this is the single strongest traffic source you can use to start funneling leads at scale into your lap. And this is not a theory or an idea. We see crazy transformative results from our Evolved agents inside of our program who implement our Facebook ads and our AAA system. We actually give away the exact strategies our clients are using to close more homes for free on our website at www.evolvedagents.com. Tip number 3, virtual education sessions. Who needs a traditional seminar room when you got Zoom? Time to morph it into your own real estate network. Host sessions which inform people about the ins and outs of the real estate market, all from their home. Can't get more convenient than that. You'd be surprised at the turnout that you can get from a well-organized and well-promoted online real estate event. This can bring some fantastic leads your way. Tip number 4, lead magnets. No more old school flyers that end up in the trash. I'm talking about top tier, tantalizing bait to bring in some new real estate clients. Think of it as a comprehensive guide filled with real estate tips that they can download. Who wouldn't love such a gem? Lead magnets can be an incredible way to farm emails, create a list, and ultimately another platform to advertise on. But remember, always provide value first with that lead magnet. Tip number 5, YouTube ads. Not just any ads, but the ones that hit the bullseye and actually reach people looking to buy or sell, like placing a high-tech billboard on the bustling highway that is YouTube. YouTube ads, like Facebook, can be mega powerful as well, and we help our clients at Evolved Agents do both. Pondering over how on earth do I start using all of these radical strategies? Well, buckle up, because at Evolved Agents, we not only help you implement these disruptive technologies, but we also hold your hand along every step of the way to ensure a seamless integration and that you're getting results fast. If you are ready to stop wasting time using outdated marketing methods that don't work anymore, then click the button below this video to join our revolution. We're here to support your journey of becoming an Evolved agent. See you on the inside.